Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are having a video within a video inception. My wife recently bought a soldering kit for her mechanical keyboard. I didn't think I would be using it this soon or learning how to use it this soon, but when I opened this, there was a wire that popped out. So I am guessing I will have to solder this into one of these. Let's do some research. I'm going to try this technique where he adds a little bit of solder to the wire because the wire is really small and the old solder is also pretty small. Let's go set everything up. I had to go get an extension cord from the garage, switched out the tip my wife was using for the smallest one that came with the kit. She also bought the solder we needed, the rosin for electrical stuff. And one commenter said the sponge needs to be wet. Going to practice a little bit and figure out how to do that one small piece. Okay, moment of truth. The video said to clean the tip with a little bit of solder on the sponge. I used a piece of electrical tape to hold that white wire, and the goal is to put like the smallest drop of solder onto the wire to try to fuse it. Oh, that's a little too much. Try to get it on with the old solder. This is a lot harder than it looks. It needs more. All right, pretty happy with that. Let's add more, just while we're here. Beautiful. Going to try and get a close-up of the white wire we just did. Check out that pretty decent mound. I don't know if it's going to work or not. You'll have to wait till the next video to find out. Video number 128 done.